Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new YouTuber on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. Today's video title is how to on or activate the flight mode in your mobile phone. So let us start our video. Firstly open the setting in your phone and here you will see the flight mode option and then click on here and activate this mode. And if you activate this flight mode, so if your calling and message function is disabled and mobile data is automatically turned off and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will also be turned off, but it can be turned on again in setting or in the quick setting panel. In this way, if your flight mode is active and you want to connect any Wi-Fi to your phone, so you will connect again. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you soon with next video.